Flatbed truck.
Wow, look at that strong flatbed truck. It's carrying heavy steel beams across the city. With no sides on the back, it's super easy to load and unload. Teamwork makes it go, go, go.
Crawler crane.
Here comes the crawler crane, rolling on big metal tracks. It can lift huge pieces of steel way up high. Look at that long arm reaching for the sky. That's some serious lifting power.
High-reach demolition excavator.
Whoa, check out that long demolition arm. This machine smashes old buildings safely down to the ground. Bang, crash, boom. It's strong, careful, and super cool to watch.
Scraper.
Here's the scraper. It slices the ground smooth and flat, perfect for building roads, runways, and more. Scoop, lift, and spread. This big helper makes everything nice and level.
Military truck with cruise missile launcher.
Whoa, look at that military truck. It's powerful, brave, and built for protection. It carries special launchers to keep the country safe. Strong wheels, strong heart, a real hero on the move.
Logging truck.
Deep in the forest, the logging truck is hard at work. carrying giant logs tied up tight with chains. Through muddy paths and steep hills, it rolls on and on. What a forest warrior!
Wheel loader.
Here comes the wheel loader. Its giant bucket scoops dirt, sand, and rocks. Lift it up high. Dump it here, move it there. This big machine makes construction so much fun.
Cold planer.
Wow, the cold planer is grinding old roads smooth again. Those spinning blades scrape the asphalt away. Now the road is ready for a fresh, shiny new layer. Good job, road fixer.
Car carrier truck.
Look, so many shiny cars riding on one big truck. This car hauler delivers brand new cars to the showroom. It's wheels on top of wheels. That's amazing.
Excavator.
Dig, dig, dig. The excavator is busy again. Its strong arm can scoop deep into the ground. Every construction site needs an excavator. It's the master digger of them all.
All-terrain crane.
Whoa, look at this mighty crane with so many wheels. It can travel anywhere, mud, rocks, even slopes, and lift huge beams way up high. What a powerful all-terrain hero.
Pole trailer.
Look at that super long trailer. It carries giant poles and pipes down the highway. It bends and turns so smoothly, like a big, long snake on the road.
Concrete mixer truck.
Spin, spin, spin. The mixer drum never stops turning. It keeps the concrete soft and ready to pour. Round and round it goes. Building time is always fun with the mixer truck.
Dump truck trailer.
Here comes the dump truck. It's full of sand and stones, ready to unload. Lift the bed and whoosh! Everything slides out like a sandy waterfall.